Hey folks, we just wanted to talk a little bit today about annotations. Now, a lot of you have learned about annotations in high school. You were always taught that annotating a text, by and large, was to add notes to it. And this is right, but this is a different kind of annotation. So, this semester, when I talk about annotations, what I'm talking about is something that looks like this. It's actually really what happens when you take those notes and put them together into a written form. That's the idea behind this. You annotate the text, and then you can write an annotation as would go into an annotated bibliography. So the basic format here is really simple. Starts with an MLA formatted works cited entry. The nice thing about doing this, of course, is if you've got your works cited entry for your annotations, when you use these things in your papers later on, you don't have to recreate that for the works cited page. You just copy and paste it over. Okay. After that, it's just generally one paragraph. You might have two, but basically, you want to focus here on a single paragraph summary of the text, okay? You start with the introduction of the author, source, and goal, and I'll be looking for this in your annotations. Then this orange part here explains the study structure, okay? It's like, what exactly did they do in order to try to answer a question? So the goal here should be, well, what are they trying to tell us? What are they trying to learn by doing the study? And then this is how is the study constructed. The green part, is going to be what questions are answered in this, okay? So what are the specific questions? If you're doing research, this would be which of your questions does this source give you information about, okay? If you're writing a general annotation of a text, it's just going to be what were the answers that they found here, and what does it tell us? And then finally, the pink area down at the bottom here is really about an assessment of credibility, okay? What about this makes you think it is or is not a credible source, okay? And it not just credible, but maybe let's think about this as the best source. Is it the best source we can come up with? Why or why not, okay? So that's just annotations in a nutshell. MLA works cited entry, and then a one-paragraph summary, making sure that you've got all four of these parts in them. You don't need to color code. I'm doing that here just for your convenience, but if you have a desire to do so, knock yourself out, all right? As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.